What's up, traders? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing a live trading session, live analysis, and live discussion like every day we do during this trading week, during this time. So, as you know, that there is an enormous value in this live streaming. Yesterday, if you following couple of days, that you have seen that. So make sure you guys and girls stick till the end to understand what's happening in the market. As you know that today the markets are extremely volatile because of some news coming up later today, and we will be covering that news as well. So there could be some good trading opportunity, and I will be analyzing all the pairs, most of them that you are trading, we are trading all together. And in the meantime, you have an opportunity to interact with me directly in this live session. You can use the live chat to ask any pairs that you are trading. I can analyze it, I can give my opinion, and this will be really helpful for you trading as well. So make sure before I begin, you give a big thumbs up, smashing the like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, if you're new to the channel. So make sure you stick till the end to see what's happening in this channel. Now, first of all, you see that quite a few pairs giving us trading opportunity. Early today, I have posted analysis on YouTube, on TradingView, as you have seen that, and most of the pairs doing exactly according to the analysis, and I sincerely believe that we'll get some good profit today. As you know that we are running quite a few successful winning trades, and we'll be running that trades along the way. Let's see what happened. So let me look at first of all some of the pairs really giving us good trading opportunity. Let me look at first of all see USD CAD. You have seen that we have posted analysis, it's going in the way. Gold, okay, so let's begin with gold, which is really hot now. Gold, as you can see, this is the gold trade that we are running now. What's happening with gold? You see that this is the 4-hour candle, and we have seen there is a gap opening on gold. Okay, there is a gap opening, and I think that gold will continue to rise as expected. So let's see what happened with the gold, what might happen, and so that we can see if we can add more position on gold. The way the candle is open, this current one, there is a gap in this bullish market. This is a high probability bullish setup, guys and girls. So let's begin with a full analysis on gold, and then we'll jump on to other pairs to see how we can trade other pairs as well. Now, gold on the monthly perspective, as you have seen yesterday also, I mentioned the same thing, that gold from this monthly level of support, if you draw this monthly support here, okay, so what we see that gold has created this monthly level of support here. Okay, support here, support here, support here. So this is a long-term monthly level of support. Now from that support, before breaking this level of support, what we have seen that gold has created a very strong bounce on this level of support. Now with that bounce, what we have seen that basically gold is pushing high. Now if you look at the overall market structure on gold, this is a strongly falling market. This is a strongly bearish market, and with that market, because the price failed to break this monthly level of support, we can expect now a retracement to the upside. Why? Because when you see this kind of market, there was no significant retracement. Now the way the price bounce is from this history, it's a very long-term support. You can see that it's 2021, even 2020 during the pandemic time, this support was created. So every time the price coming to this level, getting a big bounce. Okay, so it's a big bounce. Now what I think that the price will do, the way it has bounced, it will break the previous monthly high. Okay, this is the previous monthly high before coming back down, because it needs to grab liquidity, okay, from this resistance before it is coming to break this level of support. So with that in mind, what we can expect now, gold come back down, break this level of support. So to do that, it needs to go up. So with that in mind, now higher time frame perspective, we can expect gold to go up to test this zone. So we have a bullish move, and that's where we decided to go bullish as the higher time frame supporting us. Now if you look at the weekly time frame, we see that first of all, this is what normally, subtle things that I pay attention when I am trading. First of all, on the weekly perspective, you can see that this is the clean price action. There was a double top here on the weekly, strong breakdown followed by this retracement to the upside, tested this neckline, weekly previous support here as resistance, and from that zone we have seen a strong another move followed by a retracement, okay. And then, so this is that how a trending market moves, like this, okay. It will drop, retrace, drop, retrace. Now every time it will go for a retracement, it should break the previous low to create a new lower low, and that's how a trending market moves, right? This is the normal phenomena in the trending market. Now what's happening is that the price basically opened with a gap. Here you can see there is a gap open, and we have seen that in this trending market the price couldn't create new lower low, right? It has dropped, retraced, now it couldn't create any new lower low. That means that the trend to continue to fail, we could potentially see now liquidity grab, okay. So that means that high probability that we'll see gold will go ahead and break this 1807 level, okay, will grab liquidity, and then might probably come back again to break this level of support. So with that in mind, on the higher time frame perspective, we see that gold now pushing high for going up. Now if you look at daily time frame, this is the perfect bullish market reversal, okay, not a bullish market, it's a reversal. The bearish market turning to bullish. So how do you know? This is the daily chart, nice looking drop followed by a retracement, significant retracement, drop, and then retracement again. So what we see that on that drop, okay, on the daily drop, we see the price basically has created a double bottom here and then has started to push up. So double bottom and then push up, there is a bullish engulfer here. You can see that with the double bottom created, it's a reversal from here. So that means that this downtrend changes to the uptrend. Now with that gap opening, we have seen a middleman, followed by today also we see that bullish move to the upside. This is the daily price action, which is now highly bullish. Now on the 4-hour perspective, this is where we are running the trade. As you can see in our VIP Telegram channel, we have opened quite a few winning trades, including gold. So what we did that we have the trade was sent to our VIP students. So this is the gold trade. You can have a look on this one so that you understand, you can catch this kind of trade if you know exactly why I have entered this. Now on the 4-hour, I will tell you why I have taken this trade so that you can learn it. Now gold, we see that this is the buy at 1723.723. This is where we have bought, and this is the stop loss at 1716 around 54, and 1733.48 is our profit target, which is almost hitting the profit target now gold in our academy. Now let me tell you what made me to take this trade for myself, as well as why did I send it to our VIP students. And also I have posted analysis on YouTube. Probably if you have seen that you are running a good profitable trade, smash the like button if you are running, because the only thing is that when it is I'm sending to the VIP Telegram channel, I can send it immediately on YouTube. I need to prepare the analysis, upload. It might have some time gap, but I try to help everyone as much as possible. Now at this point, you see that how the market structure is forming for gold. So first of all, gold, as I told you, on the 4-hour perspective, if you look at that, gold has created a double bottom. Okay, there is a double bottom here. Now with the double bottom, we have seen the price has broken to the upside. Okay, so this is the double bottom and the price has broken. This is the main important zone where we have seen that gold basically reversed. Okay, so this is the previous support zone here on gold. The same level acted as a resistance here. Okay, support acted as a resistance, and then with that support acting as a resistance, this is the support, the same level, the price came to the same zone. Okay, this resistance, this support acted as a support with a gap opening, and we have seen that there is a very strong move happen on gold, followed by this retracement, and then we have seen a double top, a double bottom. Okay, these are the pattern that always you need to look for. Now when, let me replay this chart, in what situation I have entered the trade. When this candle was forming, it's still, we see that when the candle was here. Okay, now this is this, when this candle was here, I know that this is going to go up. Why? Because we have a specific strategy to understand this kind of market. Now we also translated that, we also turned that strategy, trend following strategy, into indicator. Now if you look at, if I turn on that trend following indicator, I already see that there is a buy signal here. Okay, so with that back-to-back 2 buy signals, so with that buy signal, according to our trend following strategy indicator, that is custom indicator, you will not find in TradingView or anywhere. It is only exclusively will be available to the lifetime members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So with that indicator, now what we have seen, that gold basically has moved from here to the upside and then came back down with a retracement, tested the neckline of this double bottom. Okay, double bottom, you can see that tested this previous resistance here as a support, and that is where I know that okay, this market is ready for going long, and I have sent the gold trade signal exactly with entry, stop loss and take profit to the VIP communities, and we are running with this profit. Now when this candle closed, this previous candle, we have seen there is a gap opening. You see, this is the current candle which is with the gap opening, and I think that after this one as well, we'll see that gold is going up, and we might even I might even think of, you know, keeping the running trade, maybe, you know, a bit more to get more profit on the progression of this session after the news announcement. We'll see, hopefully that during the news announcement we will have a target hit. And what I think, that you see there is a gap opening, and gold does this over and over again, because gold reversed from here, started a new trend, and I sincerely believe that it might have a strong momentum to the upside, and we could find a really good move to the upside. Now give a big thumbs up, and also if you want to learn this strategy, if you want to trade with me in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, learn the strategies and also receive this indicator, which is a part of strategy. You cannot use the indicator without learning the strategy. Then I would suggest you to join the lifetime access plan, which is, you can find a link in the description area. Also I put a link at the top of the chat. You have seen the things now. So let's move forward to see what's happening in the chat section, what you guys and girls are interested about. So let me look at on the chat, guys and girls. Super Mentor Wizard, FX Toma, thank you very much, FX Toma. Sulaiman, hello sir, how are you doing? I'm GM on your Instagram, but it's still on response, sir, please. Okay, probably Instagram. Okay, I'll look at it. If you don't see any response on Instagram, we apologize. You can jump on the website, there is a live chat available, also you can look at there. We'll look at it today. Amir Aroma, hello sir, gold please, no problem. I need to join your VIP group. I am in Nigeria. Sulaiman, you can use the live chat after the live stream is better because the team is now busy in live stream. If you are from Nigeria, I have a couple of options if you are facing difficulty in payment, so we can talk about it. You can use the live chat after the live stream. I'm Aljun, smash the like button. Yep, smash the like button. Hello coach, no problem. Good morning. Who is that from Costa Rica? No problem. Good morning. US oil please. Yeah, US oil. Hi coach. Hi coach, thank you very much. Thank you coach. Check for Usdjpy. Please check dollar yen. Yeah, we'll look at it. Hello coach. US oil please. Hi coach, happy to hear from you again. Is there a fake liquidity grab? Okay, so yeah, which pairs fake liquidity grab? Salam to all from Pakistan, no problem. Very good afternoon coach, thank you so much for all updates on the market. No problems Harry, thank you very much. Thanks for the great content. No problem, thank you very much for your appreciation. Thanks a lot. Good afternoon sir, you are very good with gold. Yeah, I'm very good at gold. That's true. Thank you very much for that because of long experience. Sir, please Gbpusd and USD. I will look at all of them one by one. Hi, coach. Good to have you today. Euro dollar. Yeah, thanks. No problems. Very much. Eurojpy. Can you check this? May be important thing. Yeah. Hello, sir. I'm from Bangladesh. No problem. Rahan, thank you very much. You're welcome. Good evening sir. Hi sir, will CPI report bullish or bearish? Thanks, no problem, we'll look at it after the report. Good afternoon coach, God bless you. No problem, thank you. Malaysia, fantastic analysis, thank you coach. No problem, thank you. No problem, great stuff. Who is that? No problem. Hello from Nepal. Another US oil. Yeah, awesome, very much, thank you. Awesome, that's awesome. So now let's look at some of the pairs that we will find trading opportunity next. Let's find out one by one. We'll look at all of them. Let me look at now Euro and GBP, what they are doing. Let's look at Euro dollar first. Now Euro dollar, as you can see that after the previous 4-hour candle, which is bullish, now we see another bullish move. Now this is the candle that will have news as well. Now we see that, as I mentioned previously also, Euro dollar created a strongly bullish price action. Now let me explain why I think that Euro dollar creating a strongly bullish price action. How you can identify this kind of bullish price action. Now first of all, let me look at the monthly. Now this is the monthly candle which has bounced from the bottom, but keep in mind that Euro dollar, all the pairs like dollar pairs, they are long term, bearish market. Euro dollar also, you see this is the long term bearish market, starting a double top on the monthly. We have seen there was a strong drop. Okay, there is a strong drop, and then what we have seen that Euro dollar basically has dropped with a big move. Now there is one thing you need to keep in mind, that you see that this is the monthly chart, and quite a few months back to back we see that all the months the price was creating a very strong red candles, right? That is one candle in the middle of the trend. What we have seen that Euro dollar basically has created one green candle in the middle of the big move, so that candle can provide a high level of liquidity. Now as a result, we have seen the past month there was a candle that has created this middleman. So what is a middleman? Middleman is a forex trading user academy discovery. When you see a candle like that, okay, with specific conditions, all right, with specific conditions, that we call a middleman, and we have a specific strategy that related to middleman, which is a high probability strategy. Now middleman is very important when you see that this candle is just on a retest of a reversal pattern or a liquidity zone. Keep in mind, middleman, always note down, middleman is most important or high probability when a middleman tested an important level or it has a liquidity gap. Let me tell you why I mean by, you see the GJ yesterday when I posted this analysis on TradingView, exactly that middleman, see what happened. You see that this is the middleman that tested this exactly this reversal pattern here, okay, and created this middle, which is a high probability. And you can see the price is now creating a bullish along this zone from this point. So this middleman, we have a specific strategy to trade them. Now I'm going back to euro dollar. Now monthly, that middleman, now what I sincerely believe that euro dollar may not break the high of the middleman. Instead, what euro dollar might do is it might come along this zone around, let's say 50% of this week of the middleman or even higher than this, and then we'll create a lower high, and then we might see that euro dollar is coming back down. In unusual case, we could see the break of the high of the middleman, and then we could see that euro dollar is coming down. So with that in mind, now let's look at weekly perspective. Now weekly, we have seen that there is a gap opening and also weekly a bullish candle. Okay, so with that in mind, what I think that this is a reversal, and we could see this is, if you look at monthly, this is the zone, this is the highest point. Let's put the highest point of the middleman. What I think that, let's draw a line here as well. Even we could see the prices coming to test this liquidity zone again. Now if you combine that one on the, let's say on the daily perspective, we see that after the previous days dodgy, that one also a middleman tested this important level. That's a bullish price action, a strongly bullish price action, and we see a push. So what I think that the price might go to this zone, high probability, okay, and highly likely that it might create a lower high with this long wick, okay, might create a lower high in this zone, and then we might see that the price is coming down. Now if you look at intraday perspective, that is where we can find a good looking trading opportunity. But the only thing we need to keep in mind, there is a wickless candle. We might see a bounce from here. So what we could see after breaking this level, we might see a spike down. So that's why we need to be aware that this level needs to be broken completely, retest, and then we can go long on euro dollar to take this push up. So that is where it is. Now you see that the price already, when I posted analysis on Gbpusd, the same thing applicable for euro dollar. This was a bullish candle, bullish engulfer, followed by this one here. Now what I think that euro dollar will create this price action to the upside. Now on the 4-hour perspective, what we see that euro dollar basically created this. You see that this is the previous nice looking, this is what you need to keep in mind when you are trading. This is the previous resistance here, okay, resistance here, acted as a support here, okay, and then what we have seen, a move, push up, this big move happened and then came back down again. The price tested this previous resistance here, okay, this is the resistance here as a support. And what we see that the price basically creating a series of higher low and then pushing high. That's how normally traders trade, okay. You can't predict the market with 100% accuracy. No one ever be able to do that. So then how we trade is we wait for the price to come back to this kind of level, and then we need a multiple rejection with higher low or lower high. That's a sign of bullish move. That's how you can see the unseen. It's very important that that the real trader, they can see the unseen. So how can you see the unseen is that this is the level, okay, this is the previous resistance here, acting as a support here. Okay, so this resistance acting as a support, but what's the point? Understanding the point is that you can see the unseen by the higher low. So what higher low mean? That when the sellers pushing this price in this zone, the buyers buying. Next time what happened, let's say from here 10 seller press that button, the price came here and the buyers bought that, okay, to the same zone. Now this time the one seller give up, one seller sell that, oh my god, this is a very strong zone, let's give up. So there are 9 sellers. That is why they couldn't push the price to the same level. Okay, and now in the next turn there has been 6 seller, 3 has given up. Why? That's why it has created a higher low. So that means that slowly the sellers are giving up, the buyers becoming in control. So you have to be with the winning team, and that's how trading is. Always be with the winning team. Okay, so that is how you can make money from trading once you understand it. Not by that the biggest mistake most retail trader does is that they try to sell at the top and buy at the bottom, but should be the other way around. Okay, this is how trading is. That always keep in mind that you need to buy the higher high, sell the lower low. Okay, so that is what it is. So you can see that the price is now creating a bullish pattern. From this zone we could see some downward move, but finally I think that euro dollar might continue to go up, but let's see, anything can happen in trading. That's why you always need to do proper risk management. We don't know when it will start to reverse. We could see a reversal from here even, isn't it? So anything. So that's why this is just a speculation, prediction according to the experience, according to strategy. But you need to apply your proper risk management plan. So you need to understand the proper risk management plan. Let me know if anyone don't know how to do the risk management. Now at this point, what I will be considering on euro dollar is bullish move. The price action is bullish. After this current one is going to close after just an hour, and the news is coming. Let me look at the news calendar. So for those who don't know what this is a free website where you can find news announcement. Okay, this is a free website. If you're completely new to the website, what you'll do, you might see a lot of unnecessary news. You can filter them, click that filter button, and then uncheck all these colors, only keep the red one. Okay, and then you can use the filter. You can use this red, the high impact news. So at 10:30 p.m. we see the CPI news announcement. So with that announcement, we'll see a good trading opportunity on this one as well. So euro dollar bullish. Okay, let me look at the chart, what you guys and girls are up to, so that I know what to do. Thanks for the great analysis. No problem. Hi sir. Gbp CHF. Yeah, look at it. Gbp CHF. How is the CPI is going to affect the measure? I think it will be bullish. The USD will get weaker. How to join? Okay, ban. How to join? Please find a link in the description. The first link in the description of this video, or you can find at the top of this chat. You see that the link. You can click that. Go to the website. Click join now button, and you will find everything how to join. If you have any question, let us know in the live chat. So let me look at sir, please Gbpusd. Yeah, no problems. Hi, who is it? How to find the new indicator you mentioned, Anthony? If you are our lifetime member, you will find it by the end of this week in your dashboard. If you are not yet our lifetime member, if you are a lifetime member, you will be able to have this indicator as a part of your education, as a part of your program, lifetime program. There are more tools coming, not only that indicator. There is a risk manager coming, there is a scanner coming, there's a lot of tools coming by the end of this week, and slowly Forex Trading Wizard Academy is one of the best trading academy you will find ever. This is going to be huge. So those who are joining as a lifetime member in this academy will be able to access everything for the rest of their life. So this is the best time you will find before getting too much high. Everything is going high. So yeah, this is the discount going on. You can check it out, the link in the description area. Good afternoon, sir, from India, USD cat. No problem. So look at it. Hello, sir. Good PM from Malaysia. Ravindra, thank you very much. Can you check my analysis? May be important. And DXY high divergence. Oh, it's a big analysis. No problem. That's good. You can send us email if it is too big. And downtrend also, COT data, many cells on Euro USD are closed. Yeah, very good, thank you very much. Christiana said, can I buy now? So for gold, for buying gold, let me look at it. So now you see that this is the, as we mentioned earlier, this is the gold trade that we are running. We are almost hitting the profit target now. For me, I'll wait for the news announcement, because the trade that we are running is almost in profit, hitting the target. But to enter another one, I need to see news announcement. But the way the price action form on gold, you see there is a gap opening here. Okay, this is a gap opening, and with that gap opening, this is a bullish candle. Okay, we see the price basically tested this previous resistance here as a support with this candle, and there is a gap opening. This is a strongly bullish market, and we'll be considering going long with this one. We are already on long trade, and if I see further trading opportunity, will add up more position onto this. Why not? This is how the trading is. When the market is giving you opportunity, you have to take it in full. When the market is quiet, you have to stay in the sideline to find another opportunity. That's how everything goes on, guys and girls. So what can I do if my course is not active? What can I do if it should be active? If your course is not active, if you are our member, you can use the live chat or email me info@forextradingwizard.com. definitely will help you. Hello, sir, I still need help on how to watch price action. Okay, Ahmed, after the live stream, I'll replay back to your email. No problem. Dollar yen, sir, please, GBP USD. Thank you. No problem. So look at it. So thanks a lot, coach. You are the best. No problems, Christian. Meet you. Kamran Asif says, sir, after joining your academy, I realized why I haven't joined you 2 years ago. Then I did not have to lose that much amount of money. Well done, sir, keep up. Thank you, Kamran. Yeah, that's the thing that, guys, yeah, Kamran, it's a good realization. Yeah, rather than losing money, I would say that invest in the right place, isn't it? It's a good idea to invest in the right place rather than losing money. Very good realization. Thank you very much for that. So let's look at now indices. Let's look at US30. Now US30, you can see that this is the trade, also like the gold. This is how Forex Trading Wizard Academy trading result. You can see that US30 also was sent as a buy market order. We have bought from here. Also, I posted analysis on YouTube. You have trading view. You have seen that, and the stop loss, take profit. So this is, we have a bigger profit target. Currently we are more than 1-to-1 profit on this one, US30, and I sincerely believe that we will be hitting the profit target on this one. So we modified the profit target on US30 to this level. Before it was here, because The reason is there is a resistance coming up. I wanna close the trade with 2 times profit. We might see some kind of bounce. So now let me tell you, it's a successful trade, right? It's a winning trade. So let me explain, because you always hear that, always they said that keep a trading journal. Is why? Because so that you can analyze the winner and loser together, so that you can have an understanding. So what is a winning trade? Definitely is something you can look at next time you can catch this kind of trade. Now US30, if I look at the higher time frame on the monthly perspective, we see that on the monthly time frame there was a strong rejection from here on US30 on the monthly perspective. It's a very strong rejection. Okay, so with that rejection, what we see that the price basically created a reversal pattern and then rejected on the monthly perspective. Now this month, after the market open, we have seen the price came to this level, okay, grab liquidity, and we see a retreat back. So what I'm expecting now, US30 to go to this important level of monthly resistance zone. Okay, so this is because the price is approaching this resistance, meaning that it is a high probability that the price will go there. We hit this resistance. Now on the weekly perspective, we see that US30 basically has created a gap opening and then strongly pushed to the upside on the weekly perspective as well. So if we look at the daily time frame, we see that there is a gap opening, there is a middleman, and then the price is pushing high. Now on the daily time frame, we see that the price basically has created this head and shoulder. You can see this is the daily head and shoulder and has broken to the downside. With that breakdown, the price now, when you see a head and shoulder like this, say when you see a head and shoulder, okay, like that, and then breakdown, what you can expect the price to go up and test the previous support here as a resistance. This is the normal phenomenon in the market. So what we can expect now, US30 to go ahead and test this daily neckline of this head and shoulder, the previous support as a resistance. So if you look at the 4-hour time frame, now why I have opened this trade, I know that the price is going to go up. This you have seen quite a few of my analysis. I did the same. Now in what situation I have opened this US30 trade? You see that US30 first of all opened with a gap in the new trading week and then bullish move, right? Later you see there is a resistance here. This is the resistance, this is the previous resistance here on US30 that has broken here, right? That has broken this resistance, and with that breakout from this resistance, the same thing that I mentioned before, what we saw, when you see an important level is broken, you can expect the price to come back and test this level. And we have seen one long wick candle, okay, the next one higher low, the next one is higher low, and finally what we have seen, a bullish candle. You see, this is a bullish engulfer. When this candle formed, that is when I have decided to send this trade to our VIP students, and also I have traded, and it's a successful winning trade. That's how you need to make your trading decision. This is according to our strategies. Now if you want to learn our strategies to trade all kind of forex, indices and gold, you can find a link in the description area. You can visit the website to see potential joining opportunity, as you have seen the gold and US30 trade now successfully going in profit. So let me look at now what's happening in the chat. Ben, can you check my okay, sir, dollar yen, you look at it, dollar yen, great sir, no problems. Dollar yen, hi sir, any possible discount on lifetime on Black Friday? Theo, basically trust me, this lifetime access plan, the value it brings is nothing in comparison with, so this is already discounted. There is a discount going on. This is the best time you can find to join lifetime, I would say. Madhu says Eurusd analysis, please you look at it. Eurusdjpy AUD cat, please sir, please free VIP, I lose all my money. Or can I? Okay, so you can talk in the live chat in the website. after the live stream, the team will be there. You can talk to them. They will be able to help you. If you have any question directly want to ask me, let them know. They will forward it to me. And hey, from Kenya, yep, thank you very much, sir. Awesome. So now let's look at some of the pairs that, let me look at what other. So we have covered indices. Let's look at dollar yen. Okay, now dollar yen, we have seen that the price basically consolidating in this zone. First, let me look at the bigger picture on dollar yen monthly. So this is a long-term bullish market, guys. Dollar yen, okay, very strongly bullish market. And after a big bullish move to the upside on the monthly dollar yen, we have seen that the price basically now coming down as a retracement, and we could see soon another bullish move, because if you look at this kind of market, I will think only buying, I will never selling in this market. If you have seen the past month, we have seen a bullish engulfer, that is a strongly bullish engulfer. It has a long wick at the bottom and also full body green. This is a very, very healthy bullish engulfer which has started from here. Okay, this is the support of this bullish engulfer. Now if you look at the weekly time frame, we see that the price basically on the weekly as well, so this is coming down, means it's giving us really a good trading opportunity. What I think that you see that with the weekly candle, there was a bullish engulfer, doji bullish engulfer. This candle to me is a highly bullish candle. Why? Because you see there is a long wick at the top and the healthy body in the bottom. After coming down at certain level, at lowest point, it could be this previous weekly resistance testing as support, and then we could see that this price is going up. Now daily perspective, we see that dollar yen, there was a big move happen, followed by this move doji now coming down. So what I think that it even might come back down here. Okay, there is a far away the daily 20 period moving average. So from this zone, if it breaks down here to this level above this doji, that could be an awesome place for buying after price action confirmation. So if the price drop to this level on the daily perspective, if we take our Fibonacci level from the daily time frame, we see that this is the zone. Now we have seen primarily one bounce from 38.2% Fibonacci. What I think that we could see around 50%. Let's see, it will basically depend on how the price action is forming. Now for our perspective, the price is still in a sideway. Okay, we can't say either this is going to be bearish or bullish, because there is already a rejection. We could see there is one probability, high probability, that there's a long wick candle here. The price might come to this zone. Okay, it might create a higher low. Okay, here higher low, and then we could see a bullish move. In case if the price break this level, and this could be another zone, but I think that we will see a higher low and then a bullish candle. So when you see a strong bullish engulfer or a strong rejection from bottom, a pin bar, long pin bar, I'll definitely going long on dollar yen. For now, just stay, I will be staying in the sideline, because this price action, it's a sideway, a little bit bearish, but this is a long time bullish market. I will not be selling in any way in dollar yen until I see a very strong reversal, but which is less likely, because monthly, weekly price action and daily price action is bullish. Okay, so to turn it as a fully bearish market, it might take years of time. So for dollar yen, I will be staying in the bull side, guys and girls. So let's see what happened with this one now later. So yeah, the 10:30 news is coming, and we'll be looking forward to get some trading opportunity. So let's look at now some Euro pairs. Let's look at Euro GBP. Eurujpy. So Eurujpy early today also have posted analysis. What I think that Eurujpy, if you look at the bigger picture the same way, this is a long-term bullish market, monthly perspective. Weekly, we have seen that this is also a very strongly bullish market. This is the previous week. This is a perfect middleman. You see that this is there's a nice looking reversal and then strongly rejected to the upside with this bullish engulfer, followed by this candle here. What we see that this is the previous resistance here acting as support, created this middleman. Okay, now later what we have seen that the price this week, as soon as market open, we have seen a wickless candle. This is a completely wickless bullish candle. Now let's look at the daily. On the daily perspective, after this big move, we have seen another wickless candle. Now today market open, the previous days, this is also a bullish candle, followed by this is still not moving anywhere, today's candle. Now let's look at 4 hour. Now this price action to me is bullish, guys. So this candle is going to close after 42 minutes, right? Now what we have seen, liquidity grab, double doji, okay, and now this one is, you know, it's kind of bullish candle. Now what we could see after this one, after little retracement, we can expect going long. So Eurujpy, okay, Eurujpy is bullish because there is a big bullish move followed by this retracement, consolidation, and I think that this price will go something like that. Okay, so I always prefer JPY with other, you know, pairs, because JPY is very weaker, and always marrying with JPY with a stronger currency will give you a really good trading opportunity, and that's how I love to trade. You know, the marrying with the, you know, weaker with the stronger to get the best probability, best probable trade setup. Okay, guys. So now let's look at what else we have to cover in this market. Let's look at USD, dollar yen. We have seen Eurujpy. I think that Eurujpy is a good pairs now for, you know, for going long. To me, it's a bullish setup. So we could see some spike, but for me it's a bullish, but I will not be trading yet because I have already running some JPY pairs, some pairs that giving us trading opportunity. Now another pairs really good in trading is AUD NZD. Okay, let's look at that one. Now AUD NZD monthly, it's a very strongly bullish. You can see that the price basically at the top, and we have seen past month there was a middleman that has a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom. It's a perfect middleman. And this month what we have seen that the price came to this important monthly level. This is the monthly resistance here. Okay, that same level acted here as a support, and we have seen a rejection to the upside. Now this middleman, you can see this level is really important, and from this zone we have seen that the price basically AUD NZD, it's a bounced to the upside. Okay, so with that in mind, now on the monthly perspective, what we have seen, the price basically pushing high, and I think that this price will explode, it might explode to the upside, AUD NZD. Now on the weekly perspective, we see that, pardon me, weekly, we have seen there was a liquidity grab and a strong move. Now this is what I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast, and you have seen that this is a really strongly bullish setup on AUD NZD. Now you can see that first of all the price basically created this channel. Okay, this is a bullish channel here, nice looking bullish channel. Okay, now with that bullish channel, what we have seen, the price first of all grabbed liquidity from here, created this big move to the upside, and then has broken out of this resistance with this red candle, tested, and then grabbed liquidity with this green candle. This week the price already came down, tested this zone. Now we see that AUD NZD preparing for a, so this we could see couple of weekly candle to the upside, meaning that it is preparing for a longer move. Now on the daily perspective, we have seen from this zone exactly from the previous resistance here acting as support, created this pin bar, strong bullish candle with this 20 period moving average here. Okay, now if we use our trend following indicator, then let's see what kind of signal we can see. Now we see exactly the buy signal that where you should be buying on this one. We see that there's a buy signal here with that zone. This is our trend following strategy. Then we, with that analysis, now we see that the price basically has given us a big move to the upside. Now at this point, what we see that there's a big bullish engulfer followed by doji. Today the price came to around to this zone, okay, in an important area of value, and then we see that AUD NZD now pushing high. Now on the intraday perspective, AUD NZD, I think that this one is a good trading candle, because AUD NZD, you can see that first of all we actually placed a pending order on AUD NZD here. It didn't trigger, we let it go, sometimes it happens. Now this one is closing, okay, as a doji, okay, which is kind of pin bar, but this candle basically has broken out, this resistance is broken out. So I would say that if this one closes something like that, that could be a bullish candle for buying AUD NZD, and I sincerely believe that this instrument will continue to rise in this way. We could see some explosion to the upside on AUD NZD, because on the higher time frame perspective, you see the price already it's going to very high, so that could have some spike to the upside, and we can take that advantage. That is the main thing that as a trader. So let me look at now what's happening in the chat, guys and girls. Gbpusd, now look at it. What is a gap opening and how can one identify and trade it? Very good question, Helen. I'll be creating a separate YouTube video on the gap opening, guys and girls, to help you. It's a very important concept, especially on gold. I like the gap opening on gold in all instrument. So in the meantime, guys, so that next time I create this kind of content on YouTube, give it for free, it directly goes to you. Give a big smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. 2 seconds, give like, so that this video is at the top on the search engine on YouTube. This really helps. This really helpful for me, for the channel. Thank you for helping the channel by giving thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out any of the content that I'm releasing every day. Now AUD NZD, what I think that this could be a nice looking trading candle. The way the price action is forming, I think, yeah, this one will be a nice looking trading bullish candle on AUD NZD. So let me look at now chat, what's happening. So tell me dollar yen currency pairs. We'll look at it. We already looked at dollar yen. We'll look at more. Hi coach, no problem. Kindly confirm negative CPI data will result to bearish, positive. I don't think that it will change the trend. It just will give you some short time spike. CPI data, I don't think that it will help you to change the trend, but it might just give a spike to the upside. Sir, that's okay. Gold from 1730. Hi Kakulan, no problem, sir. Your opinion on Usdjpy and Usdjpy. So we looked at, I think Usdjpy. We'll look at again, sir. Look at Gbpusd, CPI News, sir. Okay, only 4 minutes remaining. AUD NZD, we have discussed AUD NZD. Pump on news, what do you think? Yeah, the news is coming. Also good for us. Let's see what happened. So Gbpusd, yeah, coach, close our trading before news. I don't think so, because most of our trade, especially gold, will help us to get the profit target, I think. So keep running, no need to close, because our trade basically is gold might hit profit target from the news, so it's good for us because our stop loss is well below. So let's see if we can hit our profit target during the news announcement. It's a little bit away, so keep it on and we'll see what happened. I think that for US30 we are almost hitting the profit target. It's good for us. You see that on news announcement, US30 and gold trade is crazily going to hit our profit target. Hopefully, guys and girls, you have seen that this is the gold trade that we have sent out to our VIP community, and also US30 buy trade. You can see on the screen, this is our VIP, and also I have posted analysis on why the trade was taken. So if you guys and girls want to learn my strategies and also trade with me, like every day we do, like this one, like winning trade, learn my strategy, then this is the best channel you will find ever, Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Go to the description area, link in the description, and also you can find a link at the top of this chat. You can join without any hesitation. If you have any question, you can use the live chat to ask the live agent. That will be able to help you. So let's see, observe gold trade on the news, and then we'll see if I can find any good trading opportunity in this live session for my subscribers. Free, I'll try to advise you at least one trade if I see any signal. Okay, so let's see what happened. Let me look at it. First of all, let's observe the news, and then before candle close, I'll talk about it, what we can do. So what I can say, my subscriber, because on US30 we are in a really good profit, almost 2 times profit. So I'm gonna close US30, and I'm gonna advise how many pip profit on US30, almost so if we are almost, how many times we are almost 1 to 1.5 profit. Okay, close US30 with 1.5 times profit. So we will run only gold trade. Let's close US30, want to secure the profit on US30, and then we'll keep running gold. Okay, so we have closed US30. Let me close mine. Okay, look at it. Okay. Okay, so let's look at now. We have seen some downward spike, and okay, so there is something unexpected happened, very unexpected. Okay, very unexpected. So we have closed the US30. Okay, we have closed the US30, gone. So there is something very unexpected happened. I think something very unexpected happened. So close all the running trades, guys. Close. So CHF is going up. It's everything going in a very crazy way. Okay, so close all trades. Okay, so we see that there is unexpected happened, something very unexpected. Let me look at the data. Okay, so dollar got very stronger because of extremely um, positive data on CPI. You can see that 0.1%, the forecast was minus 0.1%, but the actual data is 0.1%. The forecast was 0.3% on core CPI. The result is 0.6% positive. So there has been a very massive move on CPI. Okay. Okay, very good. So we see unexpected move on everything. So this happens. Okay, AUD and ZD spike to the upside. Very long spike. You see that what happened? Who are long on AUD and ZD have made a really good money, isn't it? It's a big push to the upside. So suddenly, okay, Usdjpy. So everything including Usdjpy. So you might find a new trading opportunity after the um, end of the news, because looks like that the price section is really interesting. So at the end of the news you will be trading. So Aussie yen, running this one. Aussie yen, we have seen a spike. CAD JPY, CHF UDNZD. So all the pairs really impacted due to this news announcement. British pound, US dollar. So this is basically, I think, a liquidity grab. Okay, so GBP JPY. Okay, we could find a trading opportunity on GBP JPY because GJ is basically a very strongly bullish. You can see that on the weekly perspective. On the daily as well, we have seen this is a very strongly bullish, tested this daily level. Let's see what happened. About US30, we closed it and then it retreated back. So gold retreat back. See, this is what you need to realize, that the game may change in a minute. Okay, so this is trading. Okay, AUD and NZD means like NZD USD. Oh my Suddenly dollar got very strong. So let's say at the end of the session we might see again, I think that this is probably a liquidity grab, or let's see what happened. Okay, so this is a very unusual move on euro dollar as well. Okay, so let's do a short list on what pairs we can see Usdjpy also giving us. Okay, so USD CAD. So USD getting very stronger. So at the end of the session, we'll see actually what happened, and then we'll see, in fact, what is going to happen. We'll understand it. We still have 20 minutes for this session, for this candle to close. For example, GJ, okay. If this one closes like that, we could find a bullish opportunity on GJ. There is a big data change in the news, so that causes really volatility in the market. So let's do a short list, because after the news announcement, let's see what's happening next. So today is dollar news, tomorrow GBP news coming up, and then again USD. But I think that this is a liquidity gap, and I think the pairs will continue to go up. So let's make a short list on the pairs that might give us next trading opportunity. Aussie yen, AUD NZD, okay, what I will be interested on buying AUD NZD. This is a really nice trading opportunity. So let this candle close and we'll see if we can go long with AUD NZD. AUD NZD looks strongly bullish, and okay. Okay. So GBP the way the candle is closing, GBP is bullish now. Okay, for me it's a bullish setup. GBP. Let me do a short list and then I'll before I wrap up, I'm gonna tell you my opinion. AUD NZD, it's now getting bullish setup. Dollar yen, I would say that we'll leave it there now. Okay, dollar yen, basically this is what it did. This is what I mentioned. You see the starting of the session that probably will come to this zone. You see this rejection, and from this zone we have seen that dollar yen basically rejected to the upside with this big bullish candle. Now what I think the dollar yen will do is the dollar yen will might test this level and then will continue to go up. So dollar yen, its long-term bullish trend started. Let's go to the UJ and GJ and AUD and NZD. So let's remove this AUD NZD, GJ. Okay, so GJ bullish, UJ bullish, Eurojpy. Okay, this is also creating a bullish pattern. Grab liquidity now from the bottom, preparing for a bullish setup. So for me, Eurojpy, Gbpjpy, CHFJPY, Aussie Yen, AUD NZD. Okay, AUD NZD also for me is a bullish. Okay, it's just grab liquidity, and I think that at the end of this candle we might see AUD NZD is going up. So the best trade for me is GBPJPY and EuroJPY bullish setup. Okay, these are the two trades that I will be posting to our VIP channel. Bullish, EuroJPY, any one of them, GBPJPY, both are now looking bullish. Okay, so with that said, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this session. We have seen the news announcement. We have seen that the price basically AUD NZD looks to me that will start to be bullish from here. It's a bullish setup, and GJ, especially GJ and UJ, EuroJPY and GBPJPY, for me it's creating a bullish price action, and I think that it will continue to rise. So with that said, guys and girls, I'm gonna wrap this session. As I told you, if you want to join VIP team and also learn our strategies, you can find a link in the description area. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time and in this live session. With that said, make sure you smash the like button before I leave, and also hit the subscribe button, and visit the website for potential if you have any question, or if you want to join the VIP community. So with that said, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Happy trading, manage your risk.